Hey guys, kumusta kayo? This is Ruru Madrid, and right now nagkaroon ako ng chance to visit the retail shop of my friends from Growl Corporation, and andito po yan sa Eton Centris sa Quezon City. And you know what guys, I've been wanting to do this for a long time, but yun nga, nangyari yung pandemic, and then kahit na before pandemic pa, syempre medyo busy rin yung schedule, but ngayon I realized na parang bakit hindi ako ngayon na pumunta na hanggat hindi pa ako busy at wala pa akong ginagawa. So today I decided to go here dito po sa Growl, and I was able to ayun nga, yung 360 dashcam nila, at the same time yung head unit nila may install na nila dito po sa aking sasakyan na Chevrolet Trailblazer. And alam naman po nating lahat na there are several head unit sellers sa Pilipinas. Alam naman po nating lahat yan. Pero still, I chose Growl kasi sobrang alam nating lahat na kumbaga tried and tested na sila at sobrang kilala na. And sila rin ang trusted original equipment manufacturer dito po sa atin ng lahat po ng quality head units and yung mga accessories po sa sasakyan katulad po ng 360 dashcam. And sa 7 years po nila sa industry, syempre marami na po sila talaga napatunayan. Ang kanila po mga installers ay talagang well-trained at sobrang experienced na po sa mga gantong bag. And I just want to say thank you so much, Growl, for elevating my car entertainment experience. Yan, maraming salamat.
Hello, I'm Athena Madrid. My brother Ruru and I visited the retail store of our friends from Growl Corporation in Eton Centris, Quezon City to have a 360 dash camera installed for my car.